नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एके एज्युकेशन महाराष्ट्र चॅनलमध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे. आज आपण इयत्ता 5वी विषय इंग्रजी संकलित मूल्यमापन सत्र 2ची प्रश्नपत्रिका उत्तरासहित पाहणार आहोत. ही प्रश्नपत्रिका 50 गुणांसाठी आहे, लेखीसाठी 40 गुण आहेत आणि तोंडीसाठी 10 गुण आहेत. पार्ट 1 10 गुणांसाठी आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सिंग एनी पोएम विथ ॲक्शन 5 मार्क्स. सेकंड, मेक मिनिंगफुल सेंटेन्स फ्रॉम who, hello, he, she, the 2 marks. B. Read any paragraph up to 5 lines 3 marks. Part 2 written. Question number 3A. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions given below 6 marks. विद्यार्थ्यांनी व्हिडिओ स्टॉप करून व्यवस्थित पॅसेजचं वाचन करायचं आहे. त्यावर आधारित खाली काही प्रश्न विचारलेले आहेत, त्याची उत्तरे पॅसेजमध्येच आहेत. Who lived between the blacksmith and the carpenter 1 marks. The minister. Second, who used big hammer? The blacksmith used the big hammer. Third question, who used a small hammer? Answer, the carpenter used the small hammer. Fourth question, find opposite of the following words from the passage. विरुद्धार्थी शब्द शोधून लिहायचे आहेत. Big, small, unhappy, happy. Next question, choose the correct word from the bracket 3 marks. He is an actor. This is her doll. These are books. C question, rewrite the following sentence using opposites of bold words 2 marks. I have a small house. Answer, I have a large house. Smallचा opposite words large. He is a good boy. He is a bad boy. Goodचा opposite words bad. Next question number 4A. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions given below 5 marks. विद्यार्थ्यांनी पॅसेजचं व्यवस्थित वाचन करायचं आहे. क्वेश्चन 1, वेअर इज देवेंद्र झझारिया फ्रॉम? Answer, Devendra Jhazaria is from Churu district in Rajasthan. Second question, how did he touch a live electric cable? He touched it while he was climbing a tree at the age of 8. Third question, what happened to him after this incident? Answer, he received medical attention but the doctors had to cut of his left hand. Fourth question, what did Devendra join? Answer, he joined a sports academy. B question, read the poem carefully and answer the questions given below 5 marks. विद्यार्थ्यांनी कवितेचं वाचन व्यवस्थित करा. त्यावर आधारित खाली काही प्रश्न विचारलेले आहेत, त्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरे लिहायची आहेत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who blows all day long? Answer, the wind blows all the day long. Second, write any one things that the wind does. Answer, it tosses the kite high on high. Third question, can we hear the wind? Answer, yes, we can hear the wind. Fourth, write 2 rhyming pairs of words from stanza. Long, song, pass, grass, 2 marks. Question number 5A, filling the blanks with correct articles, any 2 marks. She is a nice girl. Second, that man is an engineer. The earth moves around the sun. B question, write each word in the proper column. Words पहा, child, babies, leaves, tree. 1 एकवचन शब्द, child, tree. Many, babies, leaves. C question, write any related words. Cricket, bat, ball, ground, match. D question, match the following. Group A, animal. Group B, sound. 2 marks. Catचा sound, answer C. Lionचा answer D. Monkeyचा answer B. Duckचा answer A. Next question, E, write the following words in alphabetical order, any 2 marks. Words पहा, water, wall, but, earth. Answer, but, earth, wall, water. Second, ant, agree, duck, king. Answer, agree ant duck king. Third, bat camel can catch. Answer, bat camel can catch. Question number 6, complete the dialogue using words given in the bracket. 5 marks. Raju, what's the matter? Pari, I have fever. Raja, oh, I am so sorry. Pari, no, it's all right. Raja, we must tell the teacher. Pari, all right, thank you. Raja, go home and take rest. Pari, thank you किंवा thanks a lot. B question, write down any 4 meaningful commands you can make from A and B. 2 marks. Answer, turn left, go down, look ahead, walk slowly. Next question, C, translate the following words into your mother tongue. 3 marks. लॅबोरेटरी प्रयोगशाळा, हँकरचीफ हातरुमाल, प्लॅनेट ग्रह, न्यूज बातमी, कॉटेज झोपडी, शेल्स शिंपले. अशा प्रकारे आपण संपूर्ण प्रश्नपत्रिका उत्तरासहित पाहिली आहे. धन्यवाद. जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर प्लीज लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.